Are you looking for a company key? We will guide you on how to get a company key in Canada. A company key is a unique security code used to authenticate and authorize corporate filings or changes to company records. A corporation key is issued by Corporations Canada and is required to file annual returns and update corporate information online. A company key helps ensure that only authorized individuals can access and modify corporate records. So why do you need a key? It is a mandatory requirement to provide a company key to complete the necessary filings with the government. A company key will protect your business from unauthorized changes. Gain full control of the company. Company key is needed for businesses like corporation, sole proprietorship, general and limited partnership, limited liability partnership, and a master business license. The key is required in Ontario, British Columbia, Quebec, Canada Federal, PEI, and Saskatchewan. To get your company key, simply go to incorporationpro.ca, fill out online form and pay. We will file and send you key by email. In the form mention the business jurisdiction, entity type, date of registration, official email, director's information and official address. Have more questions? Visit incorporationpro.ca. Hit like and subscribe buttons to not miss our next video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.